A brutal unanswered crack splits the quiet as the screen floods with static and a distant, unknowable thump. Audible Enigma guides viewers through real-world mysteries like the bloop, Taos hum, and UVB76 with eerie visuals. Glitch effects flicker over the frame while a creeping waveform traces the air, revealing hints of hidden signals. Experts suggest oceanic rumbles, atmospheric resonances, or covert transmissions, yet each theory falters, keeping fear and curiosity in balance. Subscribe to Audible Enigma for more audio mysteries and unanswered questions. So what hidden message will the next crack reveal?